Have you ever wondered how much simpler life could be if you quietly removed certain things from your daily routine? What if the key to a more fulfilling life lay in letting go of what's holding you back? Today we'll explore 11 crucial elements you should quietly eliminate from your life, inspired by Stoic wisdom. By the end of this video, you'll understand how these subtle changes can lead to profound personal growth and inner peace. So make sure you watch till the end, and let's embark on this journey together. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on personal growth and practical wisdom. Now let's dive into our list of things to quietly eliminate from your life, inspired by the Stoics, especially Marcus Aurelius. 1. Explaining yourself to those who cause you pain. Imagine you're constantly defending your choices to someone who's hurt you. It's exhausting and unproductive. Marcus Aurelius said, "Our life is what our thoughts make it. Instead of seeking validation from those who have wronged you, protect your peace by moving on." Remember, the best revenge is to rise above and let your life be a testament to your growth. 2. Unnecessary goals. Life is full of goals, but not all of them serve your true purpose. Picture yourself carrying a heavy backpack packed filled with items you no longer need. Dropping these unnecessary goals isn't a failure, but a step toward focusing on what truly matters. Keep your intentions close to your heart and align your actions with your core values, just like Seneca advised. 3. Oversharing. When a relationship ends, whether it's a friendship or romance, resist the urge to overshare the details. Imagine discussing every detail of your breakup at a party. It only fuels gossip and complicates things further. Instead, focus on your personal healing and reflect internally. Sometimes the best conversations are those you have with yourself. 4. Raising your voice in front of others. Think back to a moment when someone lost their temper in public. How did it affect you? Raising your voice might seem like an outlet, but it often leads to more conflict. Strive to transform frustration into calm, measured responses. By staying composed, you set a powerful example and manage your inner storms more effectively. 5. Spreading negative opinions. Have you ever found yourself caught in a cycle of bad-mouthing others? Negative opinions can be contagious and harmful. Instead, practice empathy and remember that everyone faces battles you can't see. Shift your focus from spreading negativity to engaging in conversations that build others up. This approach will reflect positively on your character and foster deeper relationships. 6. Constantly comparing yourself to others. Comparing yourself to others is like running on a treadmill with no off switch. It's exhausting. Celebrate your unique journey and the challenges you've overcome. As Epictetus said, control your perceptions, direct your actions properly. Embrace your individuality and measure progress on your own terms, not against others. 7. Mindless use of social media. Social media often presents an idealized version of life, which can lead to unrealistic comparisons. Instead of endless scrolling, use social media intentionally. Schedule specific times for it and evaluate whether each interaction is adding value to your life. If you find yourself feeling down, consider taking breaks to reconnect with real-world activities. 8. The pursuit of external validation. Are you living for others' approval? Shifting your focus from seeking validation to listening to your inner voice can be liberating. Fulfillment comes from aligning with your values and being true to yourself. Question your motives and surround yourself with relationships that respect and support your authentic self. 9. Perfectionism. Perfectionism can be paralyzing, leading to stress and feelings of inadequacy. Instead of striving for flawlessness, aim for excellence by doing your best and acknowledging there's always room for growth. Celebrate your efforts and view mistakes as learning opportunities. Redefine success as a journey of personal growth rather than a perfect outcome. 10. Holding on to unrealistic expectations. Unrealistic expectations can lead to frequent disappointments. These often stem from societal pressures and media portrayals. Set realistic goals that resonate with your true self and embrace the imperfections and limitations of life. Each small victory is a testament to your resilience. 11. Fear of change. Change is an inevitable part of life, yet it often evokes fear. Instead of resisting it, embrace change as an opportunity for growth. Approach life's unpredictability with an open mind, and you might discover unexpected joys and new possibilities. By quietly eliminating these elements from your life, you create space for personal growth, inner peace, and authenticity. Marcus Aurelius's wisdom teaches us that by mastering our internal landscape, we pave the way for a more fulfilling existence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.